The energy of the obedient movement is bigger than any political party. No, hold on. I'm still an LP. But they need to understand. There are too many obedients that are APC. No. They are even in this room. And we have plenty of them in APC, in PDP, in AD, in YPP, in the Devil's Party. Sorry, not the Devil's Party. Okay, well, they are there too. The good, the bad, the ugly. We got them. We have them. Let's not curse ourselves. Let's protect ourselves. And I say this to say that sometimes we will not accuse ourselves, we will protect ourselves. Because that's the power we've got. And obedience is not only objective, it's decisive. What that means is that if you tell me something about my brother, while you are talking to me, I'll call him and say, hey, what you told me now, can you say it in front of him? You know, truth does not, don't be afraid of truth. If people say things about you that are not, don't worry. Time, it will come out. There are many people that are taken care of, but they give impressions that the others, don't worry, time is coming. I respect Balami in the next 4 minutes. Let's listen to Isaac Balami. Put your hands together for him. Respect you, my brother.
Your Excellency, my leader and my president, please let me stand on all existing protocol with due respect for the sake of time. Of course, I cannot forget our Abuja governor, Senator. Thank you, ma. I'll just make it brief, but I will say, I think this is a good platform. As one of the campaign managers for the ObiDients Presidential Campaign Council, I just want to say thank you to ObiDients locally and internationally. Please clap for yourself. A lot of people took the pain, the risk. Some people lost their homes, some lost their businesses. Some of us lost contracts that ran into millions of dollars because we stood for what is just. I just want to say it has only just begun. And we must be hopeful, because without this hope, we cannot cope. I'm not talking about the renewed shege that we are going through. I'm talking about the real hope that only God can give us. The real hope that only steadfastness, commitment, passion, truthfulness can actually deliver. Today we are standing here as ObiDients exactly 1 year ago. From 4 people tweeting in a room, it became, as allotted by INEC, 6.3 million. If we could do this in 6 months, please, I want you to know that there is hope. If in 6 months, His Excellency Peter Obi, whether allocated or allotted or whatever you call it, he can clinch 6.3 million votes. I want you to know that there's hope. Because now we have exactly 2 years and about 5 months to the next primaries of 2027 presidential election. Let me ask one simple question, please. Do you know why they couldn't rig in Abuja and in Lagos, in Jos and in other parts of Nigeria? Because there was more voter awareness. Because you stood at the polling unit, you escorted the ballot box or the vote to the local government collation center up to the state level. That was how you rescued our amiable, distinguished senator, also in Abuja. You all stood. All I'm telling you here is that while it is important to be on X, to complain, to shout, to protest or not to protest based on the hunger. It is important we do the needful. Let us continue to build the structure. Let us continue to raise the agent for 2027 election. Because we will not start when it is 6 months to the election. I'm happy with what is happening across the country in terms of the hope and the fact that His Excellency has made sure that we did not key into this hunger to destroy the country. Your Excellency, thank you very much, sir. Because I know that if some people were to be at the other side, if the current APC government was to be in the opposition, this country will be in fire by now, because we all know what happened in 2012. We will get there, like His Excellency always say, but we'll get there the right way. We will not get there by bloodshed, by desperation. We will get there the same way His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu could not win Lagos State, where he was governor for 8 years, because you believe in the vision. That is the same way. I can assure you that if we do what we need to do in the next 2 years plus, we will clean everywhere, square and center. And that hope that you are fighting for will come. All I'm telling you here is that we shouldn't give up. They can call you any name, whether you are violent or not. Just be focused and stay out of trouble and build the structure for 2027. God bless you all.